Oh, Lord have mercy.
Blessings, my first time back into Jamaica after 15 years. I'm so glad I was able to take this trip, visit some friends, some family, and be able to relax and resort and do my thing. I recorded a good amount of stuff, but at the same time, I want to come back and enjoy the sighting and everything I was visiting and all the food I was eating, all that good stuff, and be able to share it with you guys across the internet, across YouTube, Rumble, wherever it's gonna go. And yeah, it's a blessed time, man. It was great. I'm over here now enjoying the view of the ocean, looking at the crystal clear, looking at the bottom of the floor of the ocean. Oh, so much more coming through. Stay tuned to 2, 3, maybe 4 more vlogs of this, and then we got some more surprises along with basketball and computer science. Enjoy the vlog.
We have 069.
International bar.
B number 8. B8 and 39. G53, I30, and the G now we have G47, G56, straight line G up. What's the number? B8, 47, 56, 61. What's the name? Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for the lady Martha. She is the winner of our second bingo game. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for the winners of our bingo game. Thank you guys so much for being a part of our bingo. This has brought us to the end of our bingo. See you guys tomorrow at the hour of 4:30 for more bingo games. The bar will be closed.
Library across here?
Yeah, a library. This is the library over here.
The children's library?
Yeah, school library.
Just taking a tour with my man Cadet out here. Yes, sir. Exploring Jamaica. I've been here in 15 years, so and seeing where my roots come from. Yes, sir. What's up?
Soup now.
Chicken here.
Right.
Look good. Look good.
Where is the post office?
Right.
Jerk chicken there.
One chicken here.
This is a gutter when the rain falls, you know, don't flood out the city, you know?
The big gutter for everything?
Yeah, big gutter for everything.
That's a good shot, hold on. It's a good shot right here, I want to catch it.
And when if anyone falls in when rain falls, you wash and go out to sea.
And they go all the way out.
All the way out.
All the way out to the river, then the ocean.
All the way out to sea,
Oh, at least to the sea, not even
right,
to...
right.
I would figure it lead to a river, then the sea.
Ah, no,
usually.
river is in the hills.
Oh, okay.
What's the car? You're gonna walk
Yeah, they're gonna run me over.
Right, walk on the bank side.
Right. It's beautiful, man. It's beautiful.
Used to be. You see the sign?
Over there?
Yeah, that's right.
But I eat the real Jamaican patty, original, not the one from the box, but the one from the origin of the Jamaican patty.
Real. That's right. Real patty, juicy beef patty.
Yes, sir.
A lot of school youth, workers going home, taking cabs, you know,
Yes,
going
sir.
home.
It's good stuff.
You're good.
Yes,
Walk,
sir.
see
Yes,
me.
sir.
Walk, you know,
I'm just being mesmerized. I'm like, I haven't been here so long.
good, my brother. You're good. Taxis.
So like, do they make their own like everything? They have like the cow, and then they have the
No.
bread. They make it all from
They buy
scratch.
the beef from the farm
Really?
and come and put their recipe on it, make their own recipe. I don't know what they put in it.
Right.
Sorry, auntie.
Crazy, beautiful.
That's good.
That's so good.
Farmers sell fruits and everything.
What happened? Oh, no record.
He doesn't want you to video his fruits,
You don't want to sell the food.
Right.
I don't make money from YouTube, man. Don't worry. Even though I'm important. I got you, man. I appreciate it. Right. I got you.
One of school guys, you know, this is where we're going, but it's a video. This guy's is a joke. I don't want to come in
For the
with
food, they bring it back home. And
Right.
all that.
with anything on my brother. You know what? I'm gonna see what time they close. We have to go to the bank and change what you have, right?
Okay.
Right. I don't want to spend a US inside. Here's the police. The pastor. Here's the police. The police are here.
Our police right
You're
here.
free. No one can do anything.
St. John 3 verse
See them stand
16.
up with their gun.
Right.
I'm gonna show you.
Right. Okay.
Excluded from St. John 3 verse 16. Let me tell you what the good news is. Mr. Putin is not
prophet,
included,
pastor.
excluded from John 3 verse 16. For God so loved the world. Whosoever, I don't care who you are. I don't care what you have done.
Jamaica.
This is the good news. This is the
He said what?
gospel. If you believe it truly in your heart,
Right.
if you confess, hallelujah, the Lordship of Jesus, you shall be saved. I'm here to tell somebody, I don't come to condemn you. I come to bring you a message. Save a soul.
Got a little beautiful.
Right here we're walking. We're gonna just walk right down the camp here and change it, you know?
One last sheep, and let the 90 on the road. This is the gospel. This is who you are.
There's a chain here, my brother. Step over.
Little trip. You see on Instagram, you see like the one guy that walks around and like he does this.
Oh,
and then
yeah.
he keeps going, he goes to the next person and like,
Oh, I know that guy.
where does he do it? He does it somewhere in Africa?
Yeah, no. He's at, I don't know where it is, but
Yeah.
that's what he's doing TikTok.
Yeah.
Person in, you know?
You want me to do it? Should I do it? Should I do it for you people? I'll do it. Let me see, hold on. Wait, let me walk around, let me vlog a little bit.
You wanna do it?
I don't know. I gotta pick the right person, you know?
Right.
Like a person I just like out of nowhere, like, what is this?
Right.
They're not talking to no one either.
If we're doing those stuff, we have to give her a gift.
Right.
But these people, like gifts.
I need
They're
something.
like,
I need
yeah.
something from this.
Right.
I mean, I'll see. Like,
He's my boss. He's one of my boss. you
hey,
know?
what's up? What's up? But he knows it. You gotta be someone you don't know. You know what I
this
mean?
guy-
Right? You know the one guy that walks
He's not
around and then he's like this, and then he goes to the next person and he's like this. It's like on Instagram and TikTok. You see him? He goes around, he like does this. You know what I mean? Yeah, you see him? You know where he does it? You don't know? I don't know. Right, different places he does that. Yeah. That's funny, man. What's up, brother? What's going on? What's up? Haiti? No. Chef? Man, I need that patty. I need that patty, man.
Patty? What patty?
Like the Jamaican patty.
The Jamaican patty?
Yes. That's what I need.
Jamaican patty right now?
I mean, I need one right now.
Oh,
we just came for the spot. Yeah. We're trying to break some even. So then we're trying to go back to the spot and get something. Yeah. Trying to do like the one guy.
No.
You know, he's a chef. He's a chef over at the Jamaican.
Chef magician, you know.
You mean the Jamaican patty?
No, we don't do Jamaican patty. We do different cuisine, like Italian cuisine, you know, Jamaican cuisine, you know, all different type of cuisine, Mexican cuisine, all, you know, we got it, you know, man. You know, let's put up to Jamaica, you know, link chef magician, you know, we got it, man.
You make jerk chicken. You make oxtail.
We do one of the #1 jerk chicken in Jamaica, man. Oxtail is the #1. Curry goat is the #1, man. You know, we no cap, man. You know, come to Jamaica, we give it #1.
That's what's up.
That's it, man. The Cameron, right? The Cameron. Yeah.
Yes, sir, man. I'm gonna look for you. So I just came over from New Jersey.
You ever the Cameron?
Yeah, no. I came over from New Jersey. My family from Kingston.
You're from Kingston?
From Kingston, yeah. I'm visiting. I don't remember, but like I haven't been here in 15 years. I've been here since 2008.
Okay.
So yeah, I'm just visiting back, seeing everything.
So where you staying now?
I'm over at the resort.
What is it?
The resort in Montego Bay. The Royal.
The Cameron.
Yeah, that one.
So we stay there over. Am I staying there, pan?
Oh yeah, the rest side.
The Mobile side here, or the Cornwall, or the Cornwall. So
like the rest side. I don't know, like the rest side. Like the whole.
Are you staying there, pan?
There's like two sides to it.
No,
it's two sides.
Hey,
the side that you see, man, that's the side you're on.
Oh yeah, I'm on that side.
Oh, I'm from the side in there.
I'm on the same side he is.
Listen, man. I'm one of the #1 chef there, man. You know?
Oh yeah. we're talking to one guy too about like Pier 1. You know what Pier 1?
Yeah, Pier 1 tonight, man.
I'm trying to see. I'm trying to see what's the move for it.
I was a one-time cook at Pier 1, you know. That was my past experience, you know.
Right.
But I'm at the camera now where I'm showcasing much talent now, you know. I'm a protein chef / busher.
You do a promotion for them, or you just chef?
No, I'm just a chef, you know.
Okay.
Just magician, always magician, you know. Magician make real things happen, not
cook everywhere.
No, we don't make things disappear. We make food happen through taste, you know. Right. Come to the camera, we'll give you #1 taste, you know.
Yes, sir.
This finalizes vlog #1 to Jamaica. I appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget to subscribe and keep notifications on YouTube, and also follow the Instagram for more spoofs and more details on the trip. More trips coming through, basketball, computer science, everything. And don't forget to share. Thank you and take care.